Hey there, friends. Welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to draw the sun. Okay, before we get started on the sun, let's make sure that we have the colors we need in order to start and complete this drawing. So we use black as always. That's our outline color, so we're always going to need that one. But in addition to that, we're going to need a dark gray, we're going to need 2 shades of orange, and we're going to need a red. And if you don't have those 2 oranges, you can use an orange and a yellow. That would probably work as well too. So let's get started. We want to draw a big circle right in the center of our paper here. So let's draw a big circle here. Okay, and then we want to start just to the left of this side of the circle, and we're going to finish just to the right on this side of the circle, and we're going to draw a straight line across. Okay, and then we're going to come down with a shape that's like that, and we're going to do that again right here. Okay, and then we're going to trace this line on every side and make sure that it's nice and bold. Okay, so we're going to go across the top and around. We're going to come down here, fill that in. We're going to come down here, fill that in. Come on the inside of the glasses here. Maybe do a little curve right there at the top. Okay, and then around here. We just want to give some thick lines to these sunglasses. Okay, and next we need to give him a cute little face. So let's start by drawing a little line straight across right below the glasses. Okay, and then we're going to give him a half circle, and it's immediately a smiling little sun. So let's do a little half circle down here for the tongue, and then a line straight across here for the teeth, and we're going to color in all that space in between with our outline color. And we use black, so we'll just fill that in right there. Okay, and then now he's going to need some sunburst, so those lines that say sunshine. And we're going to start with our cardinal directions. So that's north, south, east, and west, or up, down, left, and right. And then we want to divide each of these sections in half with a little line. So we're going to boop, 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 and boop. And then we're going to divide each of those one more time with another little line. Boop, 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 and boop. And there we have our sun. It's pretty goofy looking. So next we want to make sure we color it in. I'm going to start with that lighter orange, or yellow if you don't have a lighter orange. And we're just going to go along the left edge here. We're going to skip over the sunglasses, and we're going to continue around just like that. Okay? We're going to fill that in along the left. And then we're going to take our darker orange, and we are going to fill in everything that we have left inside of the sun with the darker orange. Okay? Up and around and over, back around. We just want to make sure that we leave the mouth alone and that we leave the sunglasses alone, and everything else gets to be orange for the sun. And if you need to take another minute to color in, because the sun is a big round circle, depending on how big you actually make your sun, if you need to pause it and take a minute, you can press play as soon as you're done coloring in, and I'll be right here waiting for you. Okay, let's get our red, and that's going to be the tongue color. Okay, and then we have our dark gray. Now this is probably my favorite part of the design, except for the sunshine lines. I really love doing that part. But we get to do diagonal lines on the sunglasses, and that's going to show that reflection of the sun. Now, my son did make an interesting point that how can you have a reflection on your sunglasses if you are the sun? I thought that was pretty funny, but yes, we're trying to extend reality a little bit here and just have some fun. So if you do a diagonal line here and then follow it up with several others, maybe like 3 or 4, probably try for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to alternate coloring those in gray, white, okay? So let's color this first section in. Let's leave that white. Let's color this next section in, leave that white, and then color this last section in, okay? And then we'll do the same thing on this one. Gray, white, gray, white, gray. And there we have it. I need to go get my sunglasses. This sun coming off of me right here is so bright. I loved having you guys by today to draw with me, and I can't wait to see you again next time. See you soon. Hold on, before you go, make sure that you like, subscribe, and you click that bell icon so that you get notified every time a new video is released. And if you just like to color, you can pick through any of the library of the drawings that we've done so far on the show by going to DoodleToots.com/color, and you can download those coloring pages and color all day. Until next time, see ya.